What's up guys, it's Ryan with the MXG channel. Once again, I'm back with more dirt bike news. I know it's been kind of crazy lately. Been dropping 3, sometimes 4 videos a day, but it's just been so much to talk about with the new KTM generation. You know, that only comes around once every 3 to 5 years, and so we got to talk about it while it's here. So it's going to get stale and stagnant again at times, I'm sure, but right now we still have tons to talk about. But this video, we're talking about Sherco. Sherco released their model year 2023 bikes today, one day after the KTM release. It's interesting. We've got a lot of Sherco people on here, a lot of people that love the carburetor. Sherco's got some sweet bikes, but what you really need to know for 2023 is that there are no changes. That's right, BNGs, bold new graphics are the only changes for 2023s. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys just some of the highlights on their 2-strokes and 4-strokes if you're not familiar with them. So for their 2-stroke line, the Enduro Factory model year 2023s, you got the 125 SE, the 250 SE, and the 300 SE. Single cylinder 2-strokes with electronic exhaust controls. They have Key and PWK 36 carbs, obviously liquid cooled with forced circulation. They're all electric start, lithium batteries. What's cool is the 2-strokes come with an FMF muffler and an aluminum silencer is what Sherco calls them. So they're 6 speeds, hydraulic multi-disc clutches, 220 watt alternators. They are chromoly steel frames. The fuel tank capacity on the 2-strokes is 10.5 liters. Brembo brakes, you guys will probably like their KYB closed cartridge forks and a KYB shock. And they come with 21 and 18 black anodized Excel rims with the Michelin Enduro tire. Ground clearance is 355 millimeters and saddle height is 950 millimeters. When we're talking about the 4-strokes, you get your choice between the 250 SEF, 300 SEF, 450 SEF, and 500 SEF. That 300 SEF is pretty popular because it tends to be that perfect amount of power most guys need in a 4-stroke in the woods. And the map switch on the Shercos is different than a lot of other brands. It is a night and day difference. Actually useful to switch in and out on the trails. So obviously the 4-strokes are Synerjet electronic fuel injection, you know, liquid cooled, electric start, lithium batteries. What's pretty cool is they come with a full Akrapovic exhaust on the 250 and 300, and the 450 and 500 have the Sherco Factory Plus exhaust that's also Akrapovic. So some kind of little difference there. 6 speeds, same clutch, same kind of alternator, same chassis. You're going to come in at 9.7 liters on the 4-stroke fuel tanks. You got the Brembo brakes and the KYB suspension, and same wheels and tires, same ground clearance, same saddle height. So guys, these bikes are pretty popular. I mean, they're super popular overseas, but in the US they're gaining ground. They're gaining market share every year. A lot of people love these things. I try to tell people, if you are the guy that wants a modern 300 2-stroke with good suspension, electric start, all that, but you want that carburetor, you just feel more comfortable with the carburetor, you like playing with your own jetting, all that stuff, then the Sherco 300 SE is the bike for you, 100%. So while we're here, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys what the MSRP prices are on the Shercos and knock this all out in one video. So for the 2-strokes, you have the SC 125. There's no price. It's TBD, to be determined, I guess. For the 250 and 300, you're looking at 11,700 and 11,850. Then we get into the 4-strokes. You got the SCF 250 at 11,200, the SCF 300 at 12,100, the SCF 450 at 12,300, and the SCF 500 at 12,500. Then you get into the trial bikes, and they don't have a lot of the prices. It's all to be determined. So yeah, guys, I don't have an exact release date on when these Shercos might be available. I know these were launched today in France, but can't really find anything. Their website still has 2022s on it, at least At the time I'm producing this video, they still have 2022s on their US website. I don't see any announcements on their YouTube channel besides the teaser video that I told you guys about yesterday. So I'm sure we'll see something pop up soon. They definitely haven't done the same marketing this year that KTM has, but KTM's had a new model and Sherco's not changing anything for this year. So we love these bikes. I'm going to keep an eye on them. Sherco, if you're watching this, get a hold of me and let's make some content. All right, guys, thank you so much. If you appreciate these videos, there's a couple things you can do to help me. One, you can click on the link below, buy your parts from AOMC through my affiliate link down below, and support this channel. Two, you can hit the red subscribe button. Let today be the day I've earned it. You can hit the bell button and select all so you get notified when I drop a video. And if you want to be like uber ultimate, like join my race team and let's link up, then hit the blue join button and join my race team. So thanks so much, guys. I'll see you all in the next video.